Here we have the current stock market update from MicroCloud HOLOGRAM Incorporated, stock ticker HOLO. Before we begin with today's chart analysis, if you find these educational materials to be helpful, please remember to click the like and subscribe buttons and leave your thoughts below in the comments section so that other traders can find this information more easily on the platform. So as we can see here, we have the 1 hour price chart. That means that each candle on this time frame represents a 1 hour trading period. And as we can see here, the stock just continues to dive lower, which is very interesting because, the last time I posted a video on this stock, I was told that I was a lunatic, that I was crazy, that I'm wrong all the time. People were trying to claim that my trading room loses money and things like that. I mean, everything was posted, in the opposite direction here. And all of the information that was posted, all of the comments were suggesting that this stock was ready to rocket higher and we're likely to see much higher share prices. Those comments have obviously started to die down now that we have seen nothing but declines in this stock after major support breaks, which were outlined here in prior videos. So, we have to understand here, nothing about any of this analysis has been incorrect. And for the people that are sort of claiming that my trading room loses money, we have 14 active trades, okay? 2 of them are down by about 7 or 8%, something like that at the moment. I would have to check, but it's something around that. Something around that number. And 12 of them are in positive territory. Now, I just want those people to look at their own trading accounts for a moment and look at how many winners and how many losers those people currently have in their trading accounts at the moment, because I guarantee you they're probably all losers. Every trade they've ever entered into has probably lost money. And that's probably not an exaggeration. And if anybody wants to contradict that or debate me on that in the comment section, I'm listening, because every single comment has been positive about this stock. You people don't even know what this company produces. Okay. Normally there's sort of an old saying in the market that, you shouldn't invest in a company that you don't understand. This is way worse than that. Okay. I mean, if you buy like Nike stock or something like that, like you understand, okay, it's a shoe company. I know what they make. At least I know what they produce. What exactly does MicroCloud HOLOGRAM produce? Nobody has made any comments about what they actually produce in the comment section. And I've raised this question many, many times at this point. So who exactly is wrong here? All that we've seen is share prices continue to move lower, and we just continue to see subliterate, idiotic comments from people that clearly didn't even graduate high school. Okay, these people have no clue about what they're doing. And if you look at the other YouTubers that are covering this stock, it's all positive as well. Somehow they see positives in this decline, and they're saying that this is a buying opportunity. It's not a buying opportunity. Everybody that is in this trade is losing their shirt. Okay, you will have no shirt at the end of this. You will have nothing. Okay, you might as well throw all your money in the garbage, because it's exactly what you're doing when you're getting into a trade like this. So this is the reason that I have opened the members only section of the channel. I understand how this works. I understand how it is. Being new to trading is not easy. It's very easy to lose money. And then it's very easy also to get discouraged and to never come back to the market. That happens a lot. It happens the vast majority of the time. 98% of the people that try to trade the market actively lose money. And most of those people never come back. So, it's unfortunate, but it doesn't really need to be that way. I mean, we have a trading room now where it's very easy to follow trades. We tell you which stocks to buy. We tell you which levels to buy at, where to take profits, where to set your stop loss in case share prices move lower, just as they're doing here for this mindless, mind-numbing stock. I have no idea why anybody would buy this. The trading room, it's very easy. It's set up for beginners. All you need to do is watch the weekly video, and then we tell you exactly where to buy in, which stock to buy, when to sell, when to take profits. It's very easy, and you also learn how to do this properly. So, just choosing a stock that you might think has a cool name or something like that, watching a couple of YouTube videos and then somehow thinking that you've got the inside scoop, you got the inside information, you can make a successful trade. Well, let's see how this is working out. All the people that said that they were happy that they didn't take my advice before, where are those people right now? The stock is trading at $3.31. There's not much I can say about the stock at this point because that's the all-time low. I think we might have a slightly lower low here. Let's go back. We've got $3.19 that posted on October 28th. So that would have been yesterday. Okay. So, yesterday was the all-time low, and we haven't seen much of a bounce from here. The only time we get any significant bounce in this stock is when we have some sort of gimmicky, scammy type of event, like a reverse stock split or something like that. Why are they doing that? Why are they doing a reverse stock split? They're doing it so that you don't feel like you're trading a penny stock. It's that simple. I mean, there's no other reason. It's not like there was some, terrific earnings release. It's not like it's not like the company is being acquired. It's not like Warren Buffett is establishing a position. What I said in prior videos was that if we do see share prices break above this $6.30 level, that I would be willing to reassess my analysis and allow the possibility that I'm wrong about this stock and that share prices are ready to move higher. As we can see, that never happened. We really didn't, even come close to testing this level. And, so my reversal point here was never hit. When I do give these analysis pieces, I try to give both sides. It's very difficult to do that with a stock like this because there is no underlying business. You don't even know what they sell. Okay. You don't know what they're doing. They seem to be in the business of doing reverse stock splits. Okay. So that seems to be all that is really going on here. So when we start to see share price movement in this type of direction where we're literally trading at all-time lows, it becomes much more difficult to give projections about where share prices could head next. Overall, I have said, several times that my projection for the stock really is zero. I do believe that the stock goes to zero or very close to it. I mean, you might have a stock that trades at 1 penny or something along those lines, but I do think that that's the most likely scenario at the moment. There really isn't much suggesting that share prices will be bouncing here significantly. We could start to see continued, reverse stock splits and things like that, and we probably will. But I think that that's really the only indication of, some sort of potential for share prices to start to bounce in any material way. But what we have to understand at that point is that you're really not doing anything for shareholders at that point. You're making the situation worse. You're diluting shareholders, and there's no material benefit to a situation like that. If you do sort of get in just before that happens, and then there's a bit of a pop higher, and then maybe you're able to capitalize on that short-term price movement, maybe you can make an argument like that. But the vast majority of people that have been holding the stock have been doing so for quite a while, and all they're doing is continuing to see their position erode and move lower. So I recommend these people just take a look at the trading room. I understand a lot of the people that are listening to these videos don't like me very much because I'm saying bad things about their stock, but I do recommend taking a look at the trading room because you might see some things that benefit you. So here's the current market update for MicroCloud HOLOGRAM, stock ticker HOLO. Our high value trading strategies membership is currently available for a limited time for only $9.99 per month. These high conviction investment strategies are characterized by superior risk to reward metrics that target massive market beating returns over time. Join now to outperform the market, lock in this special introductory rate of just $9.99 per month for the entire lifetime of your membership, and start trading stocks with the pros.